Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you elastic cast on for the ribbon 2x2, really elastic one. Look, I like the edge and how it looks. Super stretchy. I have already posted previously elastic cast on for ribbon 1x1. It's almost the same, but here will be just 2x2. Cast the number of stitches that is multiple of 4 plus 2 extra stitches and plus 2 selvage stitches, so in total anyway multiple of 4. I am going to cast on 20 stitches. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 20. Slip the first stitch, it's a selvage stitch. Now it is better to start with purl 2. Pull the tail, purl 2. After that, for the next 2 stitches, bring the right hand needle underneath, slip next stitch as if to purl. Now bring the needle back clockwise, return stitch to the left hand needle and knit 1. And let's repeat again. Bring the needle underneath, slip next stitch, purlwise, bring the needle back, return the stitch to the left hand needle and knit it. And that's what we are going to repeat. Purl 2, we don't do anything with purl stitches, just purl 2. After that, let's repeat. Bring the needle underneath, slip next stitch. So you bring it counterclockwise, then you slip next stitch, then clockwise, back, return the stitch and knit it. Really easy and fast, trust me. And knit it. Now let's repeat. Purl 2, again, bring the needle underneath, slip, bring it back, return, knit 1. And again, underneath, slip, back, knit 1. Purl 2, and for the last time, knit, underneath, slip, turn, return, and knit 1. At the end, purl 2, in my case it is purl 2, and purl the last selvage stitch. And that's how it looks. That's it. Now row number 2, we will just rip, knit 2, purl 2. Slip the first stitch, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. knit 2, purl 2. And purl the last selvage stitch. And look at this edge already. Let's knit one more row with ribbon, slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Look, and how stretchy it is. By the way, I'm using 100% wool yarn, but even if you are using acrylic yarn or even if you are using cotton yarn, the result will be the same. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me and learning something new with me. If you're looking for elastic cast on for ribbon one by one, you can find it as well on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Take care and see you soon. Bye.